Before we begin, if you find this video informative and inspiring, please consider subscribing to my channel. Your support helps me bring you stories that reveal the strength, resilience, and pride of our great nation. In an era where security is no longer just about soldiers and borders, but also about intelligence, speed, and technology, India made one of its most powerful moves. The acquisition of the S 400 tram system from Russia was not just a defense deal, it was the deployment of a silent protector in the skies, a machine so advanced that it could change the fate of any aerial war before it even begins. The S 400 isn't just a radar or a missile, it's a shield with eyes that see beyond 600 kilometers, tracking enemy aircraft, drones, and ballistic missiles all at once. It reacts in seconds, it attacks in milliseconds with interceptor missiles that can strike targets moving faster than the speed of sound, even at altitudes as high as 30 kilometers. The S 400 gives India the edge we always needed, especially in the face of unpredictable neighbors. Now imagine a scenario. Tensions are high at the India-Pakistan border. Diplomatic talks fail, and under the veil of night, missiles are launched from across the border. Targets: Indian air bases, key cities, command posts. But before those missiles could reach even halfway, the S 400 had already seen them, locked onto them, and fired its own counterstrike. One by one, the threats are neutralized, intercepted midair. The skies are loud for a moment, then calm again. No cities destroyed, no lives lost, all because of a system that watched, waited, and responded with precision. This is how technology meets patriotism. The S 400 system is built with four primary components: a powerful long range radar that detects targets, a command and control center that makes rapid decisions, multiple missile launchers with different types of missiles for various altitudes and distances, and the lethal interceptor missiles themselves. It can track up to 80 targets at once, each moving at different speeds and altitudes and strike them with unmatched accuracy. It's not just about attacking, it's about never being caught off guard. India now operates multiple S 400 units, covering our capital, northern borders, and eastern territories. It's part of a layered defense strategy that also includes indigenous systems like Akash, QRSAM, and the upcoming ballistic missile defense shield. Together, they ensure one powerful message: no one can surprise India anymore. But beyond all this technology lies something even greater: the spirit of incredible India. A country that has stood tall even while being provoked repeatedly. A land that chose patience over war, diplomacy over destruction. A people that believe in peace but are never afraid to defend their motherland. And now, let's take a moment to honor and feel proud of what India truly stands for. Now, I have collected 20 important points about India that every citizen should know. One, India is the world's largest democracy, where 1.4 billion voices unite under one tricolor too. Despite facing countless terrorist attacks, we have never bowed down. We rise every time, stronger and more united. 3. India is the only nation to reach Mars in the first attempt. Mangalyaan, with the world's lowest budget. We are home to the third largest military force in the world, fearless, disciplined, and selfless. 5. Our soldiers don't just protect borders, they survive the world's toughest battlefield, the Siachen Glacier. 6. We are a country that gave the world zero, and now we're launching satellites for over 30 countries. 7. India responds to hate with humanity and to war with wisdom. We don't provoke, but we never forgive betrayal. 8. Our scientists, engineers, and defense forces work silently while the world watches in awe. 9. India is the first responder in international crises. From Nepal earthquakes to Sudan rescues, we never ignore a human cry. 10. Despite thousands of years of invasion and colonization, our culture survived, thrived, and leads. 11. Our unity is not in similarity, but in diversity. Hundreds of languages, thousands of cultures, one heartbeat. 12. From yoga to AI, Ayurveda to ISRO, India blends tradition with innovation. 13. Our army doesn't attack first, but if provoked, it hits back with surgical precision. 14. When a soldier dies, his last words are never of fear. They say, "Tell my mother I did not let her down." 15. Our missiles are named not just after war but after hope. Agni, fire; Prithvi, earth; Akash, sky. 16. We turned every tragedy from 26/11 to Pulwama into a story of resilience and revenge. 17. India doesn't dominate, it leads with values, peace, justice, and courage. 18. Our flag doesn't just wave in the wind, it bleeds the stories of countless heroes. 19. For every enemy watching, remember, India is not just a country, it's an emotion. 20. And when the S-400 stands tall, it's not just a machine, it's a promise that no threat will ever touch our soil again. So if you felt even a little pride during this video, do subscribe to the channel and share this story with every Indian who deserves to know the silent power protecting us. This is not just defense, this is India. This is incredible India. Jai Hind.